very, very, very self-damaging because because it gets so hungry. It gets so hungry. And once it gets a tiny, tiny taste of that fame, of that recognition, of that praise, it won't stop. It's going to take a lot to stop. And there's a lot of people in the coaching industry who are seeking the same thing. They're seeking the validation and the yearn to be seen from the heart. But the problem is like a lot of times that gets really messy because in order to show up for yourself online or in front of a group of people, there has to be a tiny bit of ego there, right? Like a little bit, because that's what's going to boost you to the front and have the confidence to speak up and get that energy flowing. But the best way to show up is to understand that you need that tiny little bit of ego for that confidence, and then to ask it to step aside. Okay, thank you for getting me to here, but I need you to step aside so I can speak from the heart. Because if ego is in the way, you cannot speak from the heart. You can't. And it will be real off. And people will be able to see that. There's going to be an imbalance there. You're going to be imbalanced. If you're trying to teach people when you're imbalanced, then they're going to be imbalanced. We're all feeding off each other all of the time energetically. And so if you are not in a balanced place,